I'm Huzaifa from Burhani Interiors, and we are into the business of floorings and furnishings since the past 15 years. In our line of business, it is very important to have trusted and good channel partners. Adorn Blinds, has a very wide range of products. The biggest challenge in blinds that we were facing was to explain the different types of operations that come with it. Now, simple operations are very easy to explain. ऊपर से नीचे आ रहा है, नीचे से ऊपर जा रहा है, साइड में जा रहा है, are very easy. But the different types of like the TDBO operation or different types of motors that we have and different other types of operation in various blinds are very difficult to explain while you're showing simple catalogs. Now, Adorn came up with a solution to it. Experience Center is something, it is a DIY approach. When a client comes to our showroom and they see this Experience Center, even if they've not come to purchase blinds, it becomes very easy for them to go check out the different types of operations it has and see for themselves how a blind can be, one single blind can be operated in different ways. Our partnership with Adorn since years has been really fruitful. Not only are we working hard to call customers here, but Adorn is taking all efforts possible to bring customers to our showroom, to our doorstep. Every square feet that this has taken is really impactful and worth it. Through this video, I'd like to urge clients, customers, even dealers, if they want to experience the Experience Center that we have here, come here, come to our showroom and see the quality that Adorn is giving you and the variety of products that Adorn has. Please visit Burhani Interiors. I'd like to encourage dealers across India to consider doing this Experience Center into their showrooms. Please go for it, guys.